You've wandered far. Let the forest remember you. I speak now not from a page, but from a place between bark and breath, between grief and growth. I speak from the forest heart. You're home. Stillness grows here. You are grounded. You are still. You are safe. There are old paths buried under leaves, and I've walked every one of them. Sometimes barefoot, sometimes heavy, sometimes with no map, only the rhythm of aching feet. But the trees never asked me to explain. They just listened. They swayed when I wept. They stood still when I couldn't. Your affirmation is, I am allowed to return to what grounds me. Even without answers, I am rooted in presence. Let the earth hold you. Breathe with the tree. Your breath is enough. This moment is enough. I found a clearing once, deep where no clocks tick, where light flickered through leaves, like stories passed down through generations. I lay down there, and the moss curled around my name. The wind braided its fingers through my hair, and I remembered I belong. Even when my voice was lost, the forest held a version of me that still hums. There's an elven line I'd like to share with you. Even the moss knows my name. The wind agrees. I am allowed to rest. Your affirmation is, I am safe here, even with my sorrow. I deserve stillness without apology. knows that transformation is not a lightning bolt. It's a slow bloom beneath broken bark. Here's another elven line. I do not owe this moment's strength. I only owe it presence. Your affirmation. My softness is not weakness. It is wisdom in bloom. I can feel without falling apart. Forest heart. Forest heart. Hearts, remember, your heart beats with the trees. You are not alone. Here, you get to rest. The forest does not shout. It hums. It reminds. It reveals. Every leaf is a letter. Every root, a memory. Every breath I take here is part of a larger sentence that reads, you survived. The elven line reads, I have worn many seasons, and I am still blooming. I have survived the winter. The spring remembers me. And your affirmation, healing is not linear, it is layered. Every step I take forward is sacred. When I leave the forest, I take it with me. A pine-scented whisper at my nape. A flicker of green behind my eyes. A knowing that even in the noise of the world, there is a hush within me that sounds like branches bowing in respect. I speak now, not from silence, but from knowing. I speak now from the forest heart.